गुड लक। फील्डिंग कर, पागल है क्या? अजीब लग रहा है रे इधर, वहां से इधर अजीब लग रहा है। It's always nice to be here. They love their cricket here. Mumbai, the energy, I mean, it's never going to be disappointing. Raj. Good luck, boys. Enjoy. Well done, buddy. Well played. मिलता हूँ In the midst of everything, you sometimes don't realize you got to enjoy the moment as well, enjoy every game as well. अरे बापू, this moment will never come back. Playing in India is never going to be easy. Look forward to see all the batters and the bowlers as well. There will be something in for the bowlers.